Assalamu alaikum. This is Samin. I'm Zamir Ahmad. I welcome you all in Zamir Speaks YouTube channel. Today, I would like to talk about the things that are very important and valuable for life executions and the successful life tenure. If you would like to invite the people around you, you should have to make a group that will develop a surrounding within you that will provide you an oxygen and you will run your journey with a quick successes. Actually, there are three things which are very necessary. Number one, your talent. If you have potential, if you are a genius, if you are a superstar, you can do each and everything. If you are a hardworking, you can do each and everything. If you are a punctual, you can do each and everything. It means these three parameters are actually the main parameters. If anybody has these three parameters, I think he is a very, very valuable person. He is a unique person. He can get each and everything in his life because you know that if you have a talent, and you are also very, very hardworking, and if you are very, very punctual with your duties and your obligations, I think then nothing in the universe can stop you to move up. As we know, that life is actually a in case of staircase, and each stair has a few steps, and you have to win the steps of your life. Number one, steps of your uh, individual levels. First of all, you have to achieve your individual level. And what is your individual level? Your individual level is actually your self-actualization. And what is your self-actualization? Self-actualization is whatever and what you are. For what you are and what you not are. If you are investing all your time on your own identity, mean you are focusing on if you are preferring on if you are delivering to if you are dealing with if you are buy with if you are sell with and if you are move with and if you enjoy with and if you get the knowledge with and if you go on with and if you motivate the people with and if you dedicate the people with and if you read the books with and if you teach the books with then everything around you will become I. And I mean you improve yourself, your skills, your mental ability, and your stamina. These are the things that actually leads you to success. And if you want to serve humanity with a good manners and good nature, you have to do some perfect exercises, and that are very important. Number one, you have to learn how to speak. You have to learn how to speak. You have to learn when to speak. You have to learn what to speak. These three are very important parameters. What to speak, when to speak, and where to speak. And then you have what words you would like to use at a particular important and prominent occasions. You have to select very, very attractive, adorable, memorable, and respectable words at the prominent occasions. Actually, that is actually an exercise that makes you a great. When you try to make these exercises on a regular basis, these things actually provide you a platform on which you make yourself perfect and you will be able to learn that what words are necessary to speak at a particular occasion and what words are not necessary to speak at particular occasion, how to deal with your parents, how to deal your friends, how to deal your students, how to deal your teachers, and these are the things that actually uh, come after experience in life and do your experiences with the upcoming situations that is individual or collaborative. It doesn't matter a lot, but you have to learn things from out of that and get the result from all that things. And hopefully, I think after listening and analyzing this video, you will be able to learn the few skills that when to speak, how to speak, why to speak, and what to speak. These are very important questions. I will discuss all these in a series that when to speak, what to speak, why to speak, and how to speak. That's the end of the story for today's. Our Zamir is signing off from YouTube channel Zamir Speaks. I request you all to please like, share, subscribe, and watch our video full. Inshallah, we will bring you a beautiful, charming, motivational, and inspirational video on this YouTube channel. And we are also bringing HPL 9 analysis, podcast, and different experts will come on in our show, and we will discuss PSL 9 completely on this YouTube channel, Zamir Speaks, exclusively.